Did you know that chronic exposure to negativity can increase your risk of depression up to 40%? Studies have shown that constant negative thinking and environments can significantly impact mental well-being, underscoring the importance of fostering positivity. In a world filled with challenges and negativity, it is essential to find ways to shield ourselves and cultivate a positive mindset. In this transformative video, 8 Ways to Block Negativity and Embrace Positivity, I will share practical strategies that help me and can help you shift your perspective and create a more uplifting environment around you. Join me as I delve into actionable tips that include mindfulness practice, the power of gratitude, and the importance of surrounding yourself with positive influences. Discover how I identified and eliminated negative triggers in my life and learned how to foster resilience in the face of adversity. Whether you are looking to enhance your personal growth or simply want to brighten your day-to-day life, this video is packed with valuable insight to help you thrive in a positive way. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more empowering content that can elevate your mindset and enrich your life. Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Finding Resilience with Leanne. In today's episode, I am focusing on 8 ways to block negativity and embrace positivity. I'm your host, Leanne, and I am excited to guide you through my personal transformative journey. This is my story. In June of 2021, I embarked on a new journey as part of the Great Resignation. After dedicating 13 years to a career in the legal field, I made the courageous decision to step away. My healing journey began amidst intense struggles and overwhelming challenges, compelling me to embark on a courageous path of self-exploration and profound personal development. The need to focus on both my physical and mental health arose after experiencing PTSD symptoms, which I labeled trauma soup, from an incident over 20 years prior, which was reactivated during my professional role in the legal field. At home, my mind constantly sought a sense of quiet and peace amidst the noise and chaos. My husband's constant consumption of news, from TV to magazines, coupled with the heightened fear of the COVID pandemic, increased the intensity. I realized I needed to find ways to block the negativity and move beyond a sense of chronic stress. Stress can have an adverse effect on mood and has even been linked to depression, which the World Health Organization reports is the leading cause of disability across the globe. My mission became clear: to heal my physical and mental health and to chart a new path forward. I recognized that I wasn't happy with how I was feeling, especially when I struggled to remember names, faces, and so much more. It was unsettling not to understand where my natural resilience had gone. I used to feel so connected and safe in my community, my city, and my life. But now, leaving the house felt daunting. I felt embarrassed when I couldn't recall people that I had known for years. Despite these challenges, one thing remained clear. If this was my new normal, I was determined to work hard to regain what I had lost. I would understand my limitations, identify what was in my control, and find a way to reclaim my life. This pivotal realization led me to embrace change by incorporating these 8 transformative suggestions in my daily routine. Here are 8 suggestions you can incorporate to help yourself and others reduce the noise and focus on positivity. Number 1, limit exposure. Find a healthy balance in consuming news. Allocate designated times of the day to catch up on important updates rather than being exposed to a continuous stream. This intentional approach can significantly impact your emotional and mental well-being. I spoke with my husband, asking him to keep me updated on critical issues while respecting my need for limited exposure. This way, I could stay informed without feeling overwhelmed. Number 2, curate social media feeds. Follow accounts and join groups that exude positivity, inspiration, and knowledge. This is one of my superpowers. I have always been vigilant about maintaining a positive social media feed. Whether it's family, friends, or others, I have no hesitation in muting or unfollowing negativity. By curating my social media experience and removing a source of negativity, I have cultivated a more uplifting and inspiring online environment. Number 3, practice gratitude. Embrace the practice of keeping a gratitude journal or engaging in daily reflections on things to be thankful for. This habit has been incredibly empowering for me. It's become my favorite way to start my morning and end my days. Plus, it is something I can turn to whenever I need a boost. This simple yet powerful practice can significantly elevate your mood and perspective, bringing you more positivity into your life. Number 4, engage in meaningful activities. Spend time on hobbies or activities that bring you joy and fulfillment, whether it's reading, crafting, or volunteering. For me, it's gardening and spending precious moments with our grandson, seeing the world through his eyes full of joy and wonder. Engaging in these activities provides a much needed break from the noise and truly enriches your life. Number 5, foster positive relationships. Surround yourself with supportive and uplifting people. Engage in meaningful conversations and build strong relationships that motivate and encourage positive thinking. I have also discovered the power of setting boundaries and carefully evaluating the relationships I want in my life. This has helped me create a nurturing and positive environment. Number 6, mindfulness and meditation. Practices like meditation, deep breathing exercises, and yoga are incredible for calming the mind and reducing the impact of external noise. These tools have become my number 1 go-tos for finding positivity and peace. I can rely on one or all of them as needed throughout my day. Best of all, they are free and powerful additions to my personal and professional toolbox. These techniques are instrumental in supporting mental clarity and building resilience. Number 7, create and contribute. Channel your energy into creative pursuits or projects that positively impact others. I redirected my energy into going back to school at 50, earning my certification as a life and health coach. Despite my fears, I was determined not to let anything hold me back from reclaiming my life. My decision to become a health and life coach was deeply influenced by my own experiences and the amazing people and tools that helped me rediscover my light. By contributing positively to your community, you can help counterbalance the negativity in the world. Number 8, educate and empower. Use your platform to share knowledge, empowering experiences, and positive stories. By educating and inspiring others, you can create ripples of positivity in your network. This is why I launched my podcast, Happiness on Tap, developed multiple digital products, and created the Mindfulness and Meditation Practices 4-week starter course, which is starting just 1 week from today on October 6th. And finally, share your gifts. My mission is to share my gifts, to spread positivity, provide education and resources, and make knowledge go viral in my community and the world. We all have blind spots. You don't have to do this alone. Work with someone, knock it out real quick, and start being the best version of yourself. I am committed to being part of the solution, making a difference, and transforming lives one conversation at a time. Remember, every small step counts. By practicing these habits and encouraging others to do the same, you'll not only help reduce the negative noise, but also contribute to a more positive and helpful world. For more information on my Mindfulness and Meditation Practices 4-week starter course, see the link in the show notes. As a certified health and life coach, I offer one-to-one coaching in person and virtually. Check out my website for more information and to schedule a 30-minute consultation with me.